Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we installed our 12.3-inch Android screen in a Porsche Macan, and also we did our digital clock for it, and we add the dynamic ambient light. We have like a fast show to show you how the welcome dynamic ambient light works. You can see it shortly. And also you can change the colors for these ambient lights. Basically it's like the kick panel, those cover speakers are all changed on 4 doors, plus you can see the ambient light here on the door handle, and it changed to carbon fiber on the panels of the door to get the ambient lighting. And you can use the app to change the colors for ambient lighting. And you can see the clock also. You can change the layout of the clock. To different layouts. This car outside of the car is yellow, so we can match it with that color. And the screen is touch screen. It has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We do have a video for it, so you can check it on our website or on our YouTube channel. We do have the full introduction for this digital screen as well, that it gives you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. This 12.3-inch screen, it's replaced to the factory PCM 3.1. So basically these panels are changed. If you want to keep the factory screen, you can do that. We do have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto interfaces. When you do that, for these ambient lights, you get a panel here, again carbon fiber match with the door panels to be able to do the ambient light on the passenger side too. And these two pieces on the side of the steering wheel. And the full dynamic line will work all the way from rear door to the from the rear driver door to the rear passenger door. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4Shop.ca, or you can give us a call. Our phone number is 905-604-4294. Also, there is one more panel that I forgot. It's on the side of this control panel. This one is replaced to the ambient lighting too. Thank you and have a great day.